Namaste friends. In today's NEET 2020 booster number 5, general principles and process of isolation of elements I am going to discuss, and also called as metallurgy. And remember, these are the only questions are not enough for your preparation, but it will give you a boost for your preparation and it will increase your confidence, or I will tell you some techniques to solve these questions. And basically this chapter is very simple and very simple type of question they will ask. And for this already I have given some synopsis part in the name of KCET synopsis. The same synopsis is enough, more than enough for NEET also. If you are not downloaded yet, so if you have visited to my channel for the first time, please subscribe my channel and definitely will get good content. No bakwas, nothing in my channel. Addition to that, I have given these notes freely. The link is given in the description box. You can click and download that. Yes. First question, which one of the following is malachite from the following? Very simple question. Malachite from the following is definitely CuCO3 and CuOH twice is the answer. Malachite is CuCO3, CuOH twice. According to Ellingham diagram, which of the following metal can be used to reduce alumina? Remember, used to reduce alumina, Al2O3, which is reduced by what? Remember, magnesium. So how to remember? So I have given in the this chapter Ellingham diagram. In that Ellingham diagram, I have clearly told the order. Remember, so magnesium first, then aluminium, then zinc, then iron, then copper, then mercury, then silver. You have to remember it like this. So this metal can reduce the oxide of this, but this metal cannot reduce the oxide of this. So this reaction is possible, but MgO react with Al is not possible. Like that you remember. So aluminum can reduce ZnO, but zinc cannot reduce Al2O3. Like that. So because of this Ellingham diagram, the answer for this question should be Mg. Mg should be the answer. Extraction of gold and silver involves leaching with cyanide ion. Silver is later recovered by, remember, it is displacement with zinc is the answer. Displacement with zinc is the answer for the third one. Very important, very simple. So remember that, because what happens is there, silver when it reacts with this silver or gold, anything, I'll take silver, when it reacts with NaCN plus oxygen in presence of solution to form first complex is like NaAgCN twice, like this, and further it react with zinc. Zinc will displace silver from here to form zinc Cn 4 times 2 minus plus you are going to get silver as the product. So pure silver. So hence remember, because of that reason displacement with zinc is the answer. Match the column 1 with column 2. Very simple question. Cyanide process is for which one? Cyanide means always remember silver or gold is cyanide process. Silver or gold 100%. So silver or gold is cyanide process. So A with, remember, 4. A with extraction of gold. A with 4. A with 4 which one? Only one option left. Remaining not necessary to see also. But you will see it here. Froth flotation definitely dressing of ZNS. Dressing means concentration of ZNS. Electrolytic reduction definitely it is for, remember, extraction of aluminium. Electrolytic reduction. Zone refining is for ultra pure Ge. So hence the answer for this question is C. In the extraction of copper from its sulfide ore, the metal finally obtained by the reduction of cuprous oxide with very famous reaction. Cuprous oxide reacts with always Cu2S to form Cu plus SO2. This is a self-reduction or auto-reduction process. Hence the answer for this question is Cu2. Yes, very important process, extraction of chlorine, this copper, remember that self-reduction or auto-reduction process. Metal oxide which cannot be reduced to metal by carbon. See, which is reduced to metal by carbon. This is very famous example. We know that ZnO plus C, Fe2O3 also, remember PbO also, but aluminum oxide it is electrolytic reduction. See, extraction of aluminum is electrolytic reduction, extraction of aluminum. So, aluminum oxide is the answer here. It cannot be reduced by carbon. And according to Ellingham diagram also, remember, aluminum is present below, having more negative delta G naught than the carbon. So hence carbon cannot be used for Al2O3. Then aluminum extracted from Al2O3 by the electrolysis of molten mixture. See, electrolytic mixture, aluminum. So alumina should be there. Remember, cryolite, it is called as cryolite, or you can call it as fluorspar. Very important, Hall-Héroult process ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. So Hall-Héroult process, remember that. So answer is C. Which of the following is mineral of iron? Mineral of iron, remember, which of the following mineral is iron? Iron, malachite is copper, pyrolusite is Mn, cassiterite is tin, magnetite is iron. Remember, magnetite, Fe3O4 is the formula. So the answer is D. Then, which of the following element present as impurity to the maximum extent in the pig iron? Remember, in case of the pig iron is having around 6% carbon as impurity. In all the iron extraction, remember, carbon is the major impurity here, because carbon we will add it as a oxidizing agent. Reducing agent. Carbon will add it as a reducing agent. Remember, that is some excess, definitely will add, so that will present as a impurity. So answer is B. Which of the following pairs of metals is purified by Van Arkel method? Very famous. Van Arkel method, zirconium and titanium. Mons process, remember, nickel. Two process, vapor phase refining method, if you remember. Vapor phase refining, Mons process, nickel, zirconium and titanium are Van Arkel method. Very simple. So these are the 10 questions. Definitely it will help you for your preparation. I hope that. So thank you for watching. Share to your friends, whoever they need this particular content. So thank you. Have a nice day.